Okay, so last time when I got here, we found a bug, and it was dealing with the math, the subtraction. I actually, as soon as I got off the video, I figured out what the problem was. It was a big dough. Okay, so let's go over to our algorithm. Okay, so our algorithm, this is when sub come in. Okay, so remember, result is at 0. Okay, so when we do subtraction, we don't say 0 is not part of the equation. 0 is just an initializer. So it'd be best if we say we have to keep this in a while statement because we want to make sure that we don't try to get any null values, or we want to make sure that argument has a value. So my fix to this would be if index is equal to 0, what we're going to do is we're going to set result. We're going to take result and we're going to make result equal to the first argument. And then in our else statement, we're going to take an else statement, and after that it takes the other arguments, the rest of the arguments, and then it increments. Okay, so once it come back through and does our while statement, it's gonna, instead of reading this, because index is not equal to 0, it's gonna read this for all the other arguments. So now let's test this out with our build. Okay, so I can do a quick test. Let's not do our build. Let's do a quick test for resource purposes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do GCC, and I'm gonna do a driver.cc, and then I'm gonna do our out file, and let's put it as driver build / driver. Okay, so we run it. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to go to build. See, it froze up a bit. So what we want to do is we want to type in build / driver, and then let's go and grab our variables that we want in here. So let's take this because we have tests here. So I can do a make test actually. So what I can do is, let's just do this. This is why it's here. Let's do make, call the target of test, and see what happens. Okay, so see, now we have what we want right here. We fixed it. And that's why I make those build targets, because we can actually test what we put into our algorithm. And so the next steps are add multiplication maybe, but I'll do that another time. And let's see, what we can do is we can take this and instead of cutting out a feature branch for like a bug or something like that, what I might do is just push it up to development, push it to the development branch. So I'll make another video to maybe show how our orchestration will work with the SDLC if we were to find a bug and we make a feature for that bug and then bring it back into the development branch. All right.